Now it seems a matter of time before the two teams from Western Jamaica, Montego Bay United and FC Reno, get relegated from the Red Stripe Premier League. And I'm not going to follow the usual script and say it's a sad day for the West and blah, blah, blah. Because if the people in the West cannot get their act together, if the fans and the sponsors and the people generally don't support and rally around their teams, then maybe the West don't deserve to have any teams in the Premier League. Remember now, it's not hold on and take away the points from Mobe and Reno. It's play football like all the other teams in the league. Teams that face the same obstacles and challenges as Mobe and Reno. Teams don't have a right to a place in the league because them named Mobe United and Reno and have won multiple titles between them. And they represent the West and blah, blah, blah. This is not a franchise system. The clubs have to earn them keep. Nobody not helping them. They have to help themselves. Other clubs are under pressure too. The thing with Reno and Mobe United right now is that we're not seeing the heart and the fight and the passion and the determination to survive in the league. And if them don't want to survive, we can't want to survive for them. So me not shedding no tears for the teams in the West or the East or the North or the South for that matter. Because Maverick don't carry.